Hello, welcome to Special Data Hub. In this video, I'll show you how to enable the dark mode which you can see on my screen. As you can see, my map canvas is set to dark. Every part of the QGIS application, desktop application is set to dark. All you'll need is a QGIS 3.16 or later, and you'll be able to enable these settings. Let me show you how. We'll go to settings, go to options. Now, under our options, go to general. On the general section, you see application, you see UI theme. Here, I set mine to night mapping. That's why it looks this way. You can set it to blend of gray and it looks slightly gray. You can play with that. Or default, likely yours is already in default. So you can switch it to blend of gray or night mapping, depending on how dark you want it. And then when you're done with that, just click on OK. The next setting to make your map canvas as dark as mine is that you will go to Canvas and Legend. Under background color, use the default to be a white background. This is the default color. So just switch it to, let's set it to the default. Now switch it to the dark part, and there you have it. When you're done with that, click on OK. And if you see any of these errors, this is just one of the plugin errors. Close it and restart your application. Close your application, shut down your application, and turn it on again. One good thing that can help you is that you can make these settings according to your user profile. For example, I have my user profile here set. So even if I have another application on this, I have multiple QGIS applications. Yeah, sometimes you just need more than one because of errors and crashes. So even if I have multiple, when I go to the next desktop application, so long as I'm on the same user profile, the same settings are acknowledged. That'll be it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.